So my name is Marshall Aristide. This is my solar power experiment. As you can see, it's very hot out here in Arizona. So they've already started melting, but I just placed them about a minute ago. We have six different papers. There's the black paper, white paper, blue paper, yellow paper, red, and green. Now my hypothesis is that the cube on the black paper will melt the fastest because black absorbs light. White reflects light, so it should melt the least fastest. And we're going to find out how the other four colors rank as well. But the hypothesis is that the black ice cube will melt. Alright everyone, this is part 2 of the experiment. As you can see, it's pretty much neck and neck right now. The sun's been working on them, but all 6 colors seem to be working pretty closely. So we're going to have to keep monitoring this experiment to see which one pulls out ahead and which one stays behind and is the least melted. Alright, here we go, part 3. As you can see right now, if you look closely at the black one, as it's next to the white one, you can see that the black one is significantly more melted than the white. The white's pretty big looking from the side, so our hypothesis is working right now. And if we pan over to the other colors, it seems to be pretty similar. Blue is actually not melting all that fast. But black is definitely the leader and the most melted right now. Okay everybody, part 4. The ice have melted quite extensively because it's really hot, it's like 90 degrees out right now. And if you look again, white is still pretty big, so it hasn't melted that much. Black looks like it's the most melted. But the ones in the back, yellow, seems to melt quite extensively. And there's a lot of water around it, which would say that it's melting a lot. But also you have to take into effect the sun and its position, where it's shining, sort of down at an angle, so it would appear from just sun angle that black and yellow would get hit by the most sun. And there's also wind to take in effect. Okay, part 5. Look at all of them. And you can see that there's been a lot of melting going on. But well, actually, it seems almost that black and red are almost neck and neck, but I think black is a little bit more melted. But as you can see, the blue and the white, they seem a little higher, as well as the yellow and the green. Higher is in more ice cube left, and then I would say red is the second most, and black is clearly the most melted as of right now. It's coming close to being pretty much all gone. But we'll keep you informed to find out the conclusion of this experiment. Okay everyone, this is the conclusion of my solar power science experiment with the 6 colors in the backdrop, and as you can see, the black one melted the fastest. But what is quite surprising is red was right on its tail. If you look over at the red, there's a tiny bit left, but it would have been the second fastest to melt. Now, looking across the rest of it, green and yellow seem more of a moderate. And actually, no, green is a moderate. I would say blue and yellow next to 9, and then white for a final. The least likely to melt was the white one. But the black one, looking at it now, it's completely gone and melted. And there's a tiny bit left on the red, but the black one has clearly won this science experiment. And my hypothesis is proved correct. Well, I thank everyone for watching this, and I hope it's been informative. You learned something. Thank you.